Well, good Thursday morning. We've got snow on the way. I want to talk a little bit about the tropics first because it's been very active, of course, in the Atlantic season, a record season for the number of named storms. And we might have another one on the way. Iota could be the new one, south of the Dominican Republic. Otherwise, we've got Eta as a tropical storm now moving out into the Atlantic, moved over Florida, of course. Theta, which is in the eastern part of the Atlantic, but then what could be Iota here over the next 48 hours. 80% chance of it becoming a named storm, according to the Hurricane Center here over the next 48 hours. So still active, even though normally the season should be pretty much done or winding down at this point. And another thing with Eta, it was actually the longest lived named storm in the month of November, or tied for it. So that's pretty incredible too. A lot of energy, of course, in the ocean. A lot of energy in our area too, but in a very narrow swath. So not a repeat of Tuesday, but we are going to see some more accumulating snow today. A narrow swath of snow, pretty heavy in a few spots, pushing through the area today. So it's going to be really a quick burst of snow and then lighter snow showers on either end of it. So tracking through the area here late morning, probably starting between 10 and 11 for most of us in the metro, and then spreading east through the early afternoon, wrapping up though here really by about 3-4 o'clock and tapering down here into some just flurries here by mid-afternoon. As far as amounts go, not particularly impressive. Again, an inch, maybe a few spots in 2-inch category. This is one of the models, the light blue specks. Don't pay attention to specifically where it is, but those are some 2-inch amounts. So most of us, an inch or so, some places a ½ inch, maybe upwards of 1.5 inches, and then a couple of isolated places could see as much as 2 inches of snow. So again, about 1 inch or 2 for most of us is what we're going to see today. And it's going to be that lighter variety of snow versus the heavier wet snow we had on Tuesday. Then cold high pressure settles in for tomorrow. So that means we're back into the sun tomorrow. Boy, it made a difference yesterday to have that sunshine too. And then the next system comes in as rain. Light rain showers with this system coming up from the south for Saturday afternoon. Looks dry for the first half of the day, and then we'll see some light rain showers move in Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. But temperatures are going to be warm enough here at the ground and aloft where it does look like mainly a light rain event. And we're talking 1/10, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain, so not real substantial. But it is going to be cold tonight as skies clear out after this fresh, just even coating of snow with a little bit of cold air coming in behind. It is going to be mostly in the teens across the state. Some spots in northern Minnesota, we could see pockets of single-digit temperatures by early tomorrow, about probably 15, 16 degrees here in the metro. So one of our coldest nights we've seen so far this season. We've been in the teens already back in October after that storm, but definitely going to be pretty cold out there. Then recovering into the 30s tomorrow with the sunshine. A lot of melting going on tomorrow again like yesterday, just because that sun makes all the difference. And then a little warmer here Saturday. I think we'll be in the low 40s, almost statewide, so a little bit better. Not going to be sunny. Again, we are going to have that rain moving in the afternoon too on Saturday, and then staying pretty chilly here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Mostly in the 30s. 40s will pop back in here, it looks like, by Wednesday afternoon. And then the models are hinting at a decent warm-up late next week. Differing on how warm, at times the models have pushed us towards 60. None of them are doing that currently, but it's still possible. 50s, though, are possible, I think, in the southern part of the state, maybe next Thursday or Friday. We'll keep our eye on the extent of that warm-up, but either way, it does look warmer by the end of next week. So a little break from some of these very chilly temperatures we've had. But in the meantime, pretty cold, other than Saturday, mostly highs in the 30s. Overnight lows in the teens and 20s. But it looks like we're done with really any measurable precip for a while here after Saturday. And we're done with snow after today, it looks like, for a while, other than maybe just some flurry chances. So we're going to melt quite a bit of this, I think, on and off over the next several days.